Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to upload an existing project of ours on GitHub. It's pretty basic and would take less than 5 minutes. The prerequisites for the tutorial are that you need to have Git installed in the system and have a GitHub account. Creating an account on GitHub is quite simple. Just navigate to the site and click on sign up and fill in your information. And to install Git, I have mentioned a link in the description that you can follow. So without further ado, let's begin. This is the first screen you will see after signing in. Click on New. Enter the name of your project over here. Select whether you wish to keep your repository public or private. And then you click on Create Repository. So now your remote repository has been created. Now you just need to convert your project into a local repository and then link your local repository with your remote repository. This is actually pretty simple and you just need to run a few commands for that and then you're done. I will first navigate to my project folder in the terminal or command prompt. Write git init to initialize a local repository in your project folder. Write git status, which shows you all the untracked files in your folder. To enable tracking for all of these files, just write git add dot and run. To commit these changes to your local repository, write git commit -m and then give your commit a short, meaningful description. Your local repository is now up to date. Let's now connect it with the remote repository. To do that, just copy this command and run this in your terminal. Your local and remote repositories are now linked. To synchronize them, you need to upload all your local project files to your remote repository. To do that, just write git push -u origin master and wait for the files to be uploaded. So that's it, you're done. Head over to your browser and refresh the page. Now you can see all your project files on your GitHub repository. A very common problem that people face is that GitHub has a file size limit of 100 MBs, which means that any file which is over 100 MB in your project folder will not get uploaded to GitHub. Let me show you an example of that. I'm going to move a zip file of 100 plus MBs into my local repository and then try to push that to my remote repository. As you can see here, it says the file size exceeds GitHub's file size limit of 100 MBs. There are two very easy workarounds for this. If you are facing this issue, click on the video link appearing on the top right to solve that. That's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, kindly give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Have a good day.